Hello, we are team Covert coders participating in SIH2024. The problem statement which we took is mobile app for direct market access for farmers. Basically, if you see in this current technology, there are a lot of apps that are connecting people's, connecting job seekers and recruiters, and even if you want to rent an apartment, we have apps. But what about connecting farmers and buyers? There is no good apps in market we can see right now. There are some apps, but it's lacking in some of the main features, I think. So we took this problem statement and decided to give the best solution as possible. In this app, buyers can find the nearby farmers by using geolocation, and they can place the order online or reach them directly to purchase their produce. And we are providing multi-language support, simple sign up or login using mobile number, and basically we are making the UI of this app very simple so that farmers can use this app. And the order workflow of this app is also simple. If you see, if the buyer places the order, the only thing the farmer needs to decide is to whether they want to accept or reject the order. After accepting the order, the order will be displayed in the admin panel, and the delivery thing is done by the app's owner. Now let's see the technical approach of our product. For front-end mobile application development, we are using React Native, which ensures cross-platform compatibility, and we are using TypeScript as a programming language and Native Wind CSS for styling. Then for back-end development, we are choosing Python Django as a core framework, and Django REST framework for building REST APIs. For authentication, we are using JWT authentication, which is very secure in making the login of user. And for database, we are using MySQL for relational database management system. And we are using some third-party APIs like two-factor for generating OTP to the mobile number, and geolocation API for getting the user's location and sending it to the backend. Basically, we have already started building the application. Actually, some of the backend APIs building has been completed, and some front-end part also completed by integrating those APIs by using Axios, the Axios library for fetching the APIs. And here you can see the backend architecture diagram. And now let's see the front-end prototype of our product. Now here we can see the working prototype of our product, which is made using Figma. These are the basic auth screens where user can select their language and sign up or login using a mobile number and OTP. Next, they can select their profile, whether they are farmer or a buyer, and the interface changes according to their role. Now let's see the buyer role. Now this is the home page where they can list the nearby farmers, and they can see their produce. They can either connect with them to contact, or they can order it online. They can also see the nearby farmers by accessing this map tab provided in this app. Now let's see the farmer role. This is the farmer's page. Actually, farmer can be both buyer and farmer. They can also list the nearby. They can also list the farmers, and they can also place orders, and they can receive orders in this orders tab. They can select whether they want to accept or reject this order. Now let's move on to the PPT. In this slide, we have a feasibility analysis, the potential challenges of this app, and strategies for overcoming those challenges. And in next slide, we have the impact and benefits of our solution. Now the first question we get while developing this app is whether the farmers will use this app or not. Here we can see the table which is taken from the research paper, which gives answer to this question. When asked the group of farmers whether they will use this modern application or traditional marketplace in Edo North, most of the farmers accepted the modern application. Only very few has accepted the traditional marketplace. Finally, as a conclusion, I want to say that this is the app we need in our current generation. Thank you.